Aloha! It's me, Filay. In this video, let's imagine one of the scenes in Disney film, The Princess and the Frog. Sa unang tingin ko sa aking reference, napaisip talaga ako ng color green because Tiana's signature color. At ano yung green? It's matcha! Okay naman yung Dubai chocolate kasi may color green sa loob which is the pistachio. But I prefer matcha. We have different approach kung paano natin gawin yung painting natin. Sometimes, inuuna ko yung background tsaka yung main painting o inuuna ko rin yung main painting tsaka yung background. It depends on you kung saan ka komportable. While making this piece, marami talaga akong challenges, especially sa color. Gusto ko talaga mag-match yung color sa aking reference. At hindi natin talagang maiwasan yung mistake while making painting. Si Prince Naveen's as a frog, ginawa ko siyang as a matcha kasi magkakulay sila. And we will add some stars. And we will add some borders. I don't know guys, para sa akin, when I will put some borders in my painting, it feels complete. At kung wala naman, parang may kulang. At huwag kalimutan maglagay ng signature sa every painting natin. And voila! Our Princess Tiana, Queen of Matcha. So matcha better, so matcha pretty, so matcha beautiful, so matcha terrific, so matcha everything, so matcha watermelon, so matcha good. Bye!